In this tutorial video, we are going to show you how you can remove bracket and anything inside the bracket from your Excel file. Here you can see some data and doctor is in the middle of parentheses, so we need to remove brackets and this data. For this we just need to go to the find and selection. Here you can see which is replace. Then you should write one thing, which is opening bracket, then put a star and then closing bracket and just replace with nothing, just replace all. You can see that all the brackets and inside data of bracket has been removed from your file. This is how you can easily remove brackets and data inside the bracket from your Excel file. Hope that you like this video. Thanks for watching.